Hi, welcome or welcome back. I'm Tish. I'm having a really good day, and we got Boxycharm Premium. All right, so this box is $35 a month, and you get 6 full-size products. And that is our box. This month's theme is the Oasis. That's the back of the card. And I got version 61. Alright, so our first product is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Alright. And that is what that looks like. Smells a bit perfumey. Feels like smushed avocado. That is what that looks like. Soaks right into the hand. It's not sticky. That's nice. Alright, Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. The Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Used as a wash-off flash facial or overnight mask for deep recovery, and that is worth $49. All right, the next thing we got the $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush. And that is what that looks like. It's really soft. Like, really soft. Okay. The $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo Brush, the simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. The contour side, densely packed angled brush applies to target areas, then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. I think that's very dense. And the highlighter side is a tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. I mean, I guess. The value of that is $30. All right. I'm excited about this one. This was my choice. The NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. That is what that looks like. And we got the shade Lowrider. And it says shape well. And that is what that looks like. I'm going to shake it. That is the applicator. like the shade. And that is the shade. And I guess we will see if that dries down. All right. NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. Potency and precision, the ultimate power couple. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid pigment complex. Liquefied pigment with zero gravity feel. Introduces infinite matte color saturation with ultra flexible, long-lasting wear. Sensorial, lightweight texture that applies like an ink on lips, and that has a $26 value. I mean, I don't feel it on my hands. All right, next up we have Living Proof Restore Instant Protection. And that's what that looks like. Weightless heat and UV protection. All right. And it says a weightless spray that adds shine while protecting against heat and UV damage, and it has a $28 value. It's a fine mist. I mean, it smells like hairspray. I don't know what I was expecting to smell, but it smells like hairspray. Oh boy, yeah, that smells like hairspray, all right. All right, next up we have the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. And that is what that looks like. And the shades are on the back there. Ah, I'm running out of places to put stuff. How to Glamour Guide. I'm going to need that. Here, we'll put you there. You stay there. All right, and this is the palette. And it comes with the mirror. We have light, medium, and deep in both highlight and contour. That does not look like a highlight. It smells like chocolate though. All right. So we have let's see if I can do this. The light, the medium, and the dark. And those are the contour shades. And I'm going to need a wet wipe to get that off. But at least we know it has a staying power. Dry our fingers off here. And now we have the light, the medium, and the deep highlight. Yeah, these don't look like highlighting colors. I mean, they just look like really light eyeshadows. They smell good, but I don't know what you're highlighting with that. All right. And where did my card go? All right, so the card says, Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contour palette you've ever experienced. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffused, subtle contour so natural and effortless, all they'll see is your perfect bone structure. I mean, the contour shades look like they'll work. Running out of space here. But I'm not so sure about the highlight. I'll probably use them on my eyelids. All right, we got some foam. And then we got this huge thing at the bottom of the box, which I actually almost mistook for one of those little cardboard platforms. This is Grace and Stella. Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Face Mask. It's a 6-pack. All right. As we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Face Mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating the skin, and that has a value of $25. The Too Faced palette has a value of $44. All right. So let's see about these face masks. All right. The inside of this box says, good choice. Holy crow. Those are huge. I mean, I guess it'll cover the whole face, right? It's like an energy drink for your face. I mean, I'll use them. For sure I'll use them. We love anything anti-wrinkle over here. All right, so can I put these back in the box? Yep. We got the face masks. We got the contour palette. We got the hairspray. Oh, can't forget this guy. We got the brush. I'm running out of places to put stuff here. The NARS lipstick and the avocado mask. And that is what we got for our Boxy Premium for June. Okay, so let's go through it. Excited about the avocado mask. Excited about the face masks. I mean, I can always use a brush. I'm not excited about it, but I can use it. Really, really excited about the NARS Lippy. I can talk. I was really excited to get the palette. I'll probably have to try it out in order to judge whether I actually like it or not. I don't really do a lot with my hair. It's so dry, I just don't see doing much to it. But I'll try the hairspray. I'll figure out something to do with my mop, and we'll see how that works. So overall, I mean, it was 35 bucks. So, I mean, you can't beat that. I'm not mad at it. It's not the best box, but it's not the worst box either. My first box was really bad. They just threw a bunch of, like, old products in the box and sent it to me. So yeah, okay, so that was our Boxycharm. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You didn't like the video, you don't like the box, give me a thumbs down. If you would like to stick around and join the family, go ahead and hit subscribe. Leave me a comment. I love responding to the comments. And I hope everyone has an absolutely amazing day or night, whichever time you're watching this. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.